Hi guys and welcome. So today what I want to show you is how to change the GFCI receptacle on your welding machine. It's something that you probably experienced it fail out in the field, and we have a quick and simple fix for you. The first thing that you want to do before you do any type of repair on your machine is disconnect the battery, and that is a safety issue. We have already done that, and the tools that you're going to be needing is a 1/2-inch socket, Phillips screwdriver, and just any type of pen, marker, or anything to help make a marking. We have disconnected the battery. The next step is to remove this panel here. It takes 10 1/2-inch screws. We have already removed them, and we have our opening. So the very first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is use our Phillips to remove the 2 screws here at the face of the machine. Now the GFCI is going to come with its own rain cover. You have a front and you have a back cover, and behind the cover you have this gasket seal here, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So we have removed the screws. Now we're going to slide the gasket back out like this, and of course then slide the rain cover out as well. So we'll go ahead and help it back here, push it in, remove the front cover. And here you'll see the gasket. We're going to go ahead and slide it back. Along with the cover. One thing to note is you have your test and you have your retest. And in order to know which wire is going to go to which, we're going to go ahead and mark. Now, before we go that far, we have our new GFCI here with markings on the back. On one side of the GFCI you have it labeled hot, on the other side you have it labeled white, white being for the white wires, and the hot is going to be your gray wire. So looking at our white wires first, and we see that we have our test. I've already gone ahead and marked it, but this is where you would go ahead and make a marking for you to know where to go. And then I'll go ahead and remove those. And you just want to loosen them just so that it slides out like that. And you want to be careful to not put too much strain on this here, because you don't want this crimp falling off. Go ahead and turn it to the other side. And the same thing here. We've already marked it, but we'll do it again to show you. This is the test side. Slide those out. And there you have it. We're going to go ahead and replace it with our new GFCI, having the test on the side that the same as the way we took it out, and our retest on this side. Using our marked white wire to start, get that slit on there. Okay. Reinstall your other wire. And there we have our white side. Of course, I'll verify that where I marked it is indeed on the test side. So then we'll go ahead and do the same for the gray wire. And we got our last gray wire here. It is a tight space, so you have a little bit of patience. And there we have it, guys. Same thing. We're gonna go ahead and put our rain cover back on first, followed by the gasket. And there you have it. So we have our rain cover back on, we have our gasket back on. We're gonna go ahead and align it just as it was. Now, before we go ahead and put it all the way through, we're gonna go ahead and put our other cover here. This is our face cover. So we'll slide that in there. We'll have that in there all the way it's supposed to. Line it up as it should. Go ahead and slide it back through the face. Go ahead and put our screws back in. And there you have it, guys. After installing your GFCI, the only thing left to do is go ahead and reconnect the battery, fire up the machine, and you hit the retest button and you should see a blinking green indicator, and that'll let you know that you did everything correctly. This is a service that we provide. This is something that you can do in the field. I hope that this video has helped you. If you would like us to do it, come and visit us.